Okay, in lithium ion cells, lithium ions move between the electrodes as the cell is discharged and recharged. The negative electrode consists of lithiated graphite, so lithium in graphite, and the positive electrode consists of lithium cobalt oxide. The chemical reaction that takes place in the lithium ion cells are complex. The following equation present a simplified description of the reactions that occur at the electrodes as the cell is recharged. In the diagram below, use arrows to indicate the direction of movements of electrons and lithium ions as the lithium ion cell is discharged. So we already kind of have covered the lithium ion cell a few times. We, even if we hadn't done that, we could just say, okay, so as it's being recharged, we have these two processes happening. So during recharging, we have lithium going back into that graphite electrode. Therefore, during discharging, if lithium's going back into the graphite electrode during recharging, then it must be leaving the graphite electrode during discharging. So this is my lithiated graphite electrode. It is leaving it during discharging. Okay, then look at it. What's going on here? If we're trying to find the flow of electrons in this wire, again, at our lithium graphite electrode when recharging, you have to have electrons coming in for reduction to get this lithiated graphite again. So when you reverse it, and when you're going the opposite way, this lithium graphite electrode is giving away electrons, and going the opposite way, this lithium cobalt oxide electrode needs to gain electrons to go through this process during discharging. So electrons must be flowing this way. Okay. What's next? Nothing. What are they asking for? D. Indicate on the diagram. Yeah, I have no more questions. That was quicker than I thought. Okay, awesome. Let me know how you guys go with all of this. I will have known if you don't watch all the videos, because I'm going to say the password is circus. So if you don't come into class and tell me circus, I'm going to know you haven't actually gone through these videos, or just that you had already completely figured out this question, and therefore you don't need to listen to any of them. If this works for you, please let me know. If it doesn't work, and it wasn't helpful, also let me know, because then I won't do it again, because it did take quite a while to go through it all, but it seems like a good alternative to doing this in class.